She stood trembling as the elevator doors closed, the mechanical hum reverberating in her chest. The stranger beside her was a comforting presence, a silhouette just tangible enough to be real. His cologne, a mix of sandalwood and rain, mingled with her own shallow breaths. Their eyes met, a sudden electricity that spoke volumes yet promised silent solitude. Her fingertips brushed the metal railing, cool and steadying. She felt a tug of the unknown, a depth uncharted. As he spoke, his voice fractured the still air, drawing her closer, yet keeping her tethered to this surreal existence. Time fragmented around them. The boundaries of reality blurred into a shared, stolen moment. Her heart raced against logic, crafting a yearning for an impossible connection. The elevator halted. His lingering gaze became her only tether to stability. With a gentle nod, he stepped into the world beyond, words hanging like unsung promises. And then he said it, a whispered challenge tickling her mind. Now try to prove to everyone that I exist. As he vanished, her world resumed, yet the absence of his presence echoed louder than any reality. She was rooted in place, caught between the ethereal memory and the mundane certainty.